లేదమ్మా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటే మీరు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎక్కువ చెప్పినప్పుడు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎలా వస్తుంది సరే సరే
సో ఓకేమ్మా సో మీకు లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో మనము ఇంటెగ్రల్ ఇది పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ సారీ పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ కంప్లీట్ చేసినామా సో ఈ క్లాస్ వచ్చేసి మోడల్ లాస్ట్ మోడల్లో మనకు మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏమంటే 1/x² + 36 into x² + 25 ఈ క్వశ్చన్. సో ఫర్ దిస్ సొల్యూషన్ సో దిస్ కెన్ బి రిటర్న్ యాజ్ ఫస్ట్ చూడండి హైయెస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఏది ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒకటి నంబర్ 36 ఉంది ఒక నంబర్ 25 ఉంది. హైయెస్ట్ నంబర్ తీసుకోవాలి ఫస్ట్. హైయెస్ట్ నంబర్ ఏంటంటే హైయెస్ట్ మైనస్ లోయెస్ట్, highest minus lowest. So that is nothing but 36 minus 25. 36 minus 25 is nothing but 11. So we do that, multiply and divided by 11. Multiply and divided by 11. So we get that 1/11 into 11/x² + 36 into x² + 25. So we get that 1/11 integration of. So first you are writing a lower term and next you are writing the higher term. What is the lower term? The lower term is x² + 25. That is 1/x² + 25 minus 1/x² + 36. So if we are simplifying, we get this value. Okay. So here there are two terms are involved. What are the first term? That is 1/11 into integral of. The first term is x² + 25 into dx minus integral of x² + 36 into dx. So we get that, we know the for that is 1/11 into that 25 can be written in terms of square, that is x² + 5² into dx minus 36 can be written in terms of square, that is x² + 6² into dx. We know that integration of 1/x² + a² or a² + x², anyone. The formula is 1/a tan inverse x/a. So this is the formula. So we get that 1/11 into, for this part the a is equal to 5, for this part the a is equal to 6. This is a is equal to 6 and this is for a is equal to 6 and this is a is equal to 5. So therefore we get that 1/a tan inverse of x/5 minus 1/6 tan inverse of x/6. So finally if we are multiplying, we get that 1/55 into tan inverse x/5 minus, that is 6 into 11 into 6, we get that 66 tan inverse of x/6. After that integration we can add the symbol c, constant. So this is one of the important model, partial fraction. Suppose if we have the next problem, the second one is 1/x² + 9 into x square plus 13. So this form is called that 1 by what is the model? Here the model is 1 by x square plus a square into x square plus b square. This model. So here we written as the highest value minus lowest value first. Highest value minus lowest value. So therefore this is nothing but here the highest value is equal to 13 minus 9, that is nothing but 4. Multiply and divided by 4. Multiply and divided by 4. So we get that 1 by 4 into integral of 4 by x square plus 9, x square plus 13. And here next you are writing that lowest minus highest value. The lowest term. Here what is the lowest term? 1 by x square plus 9. And next highest value, x square plus 13. That is integration of this value. And we separate the two terms. Here what are the two terms are involved? So the first one is that 1 by x square plus 9 and another one is that 1 by x square plus 13. Separate that, the integration can be separated. That is integration of x square plus 9 into dx minus integration of x square plus 13 into dx. And so here the form is 1 by x 4 into integration. The 9 can be written in terms of square, that is x square plus 3 square minus, and the integration of 13 can be written in terms of square, that is nothing that can be written as root 13 whole square. So we know the formula for 1 by x square plus a square. Integration, we get that 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Here for this part the a is equal to 3 and for this part the a is equal to root 13. So therefore it can be written as 1 by 4 into that is 1 by a, that is 1 by 3 into tan inverse x by 3 minus 1 by root 13 into tan inverse of x by root 13. And next he multiplied by 4, we get that 4 into 3, that is nothing but a 12. Tan inverse of x by 3 minus 4 root 13 tan inverse of x by root 13. After completion we can add c.